Drug trafficking in Florida centers around the weight of the drug. So if the drugs found weigh more than a certain amount, we call it drug trafficking. For most drug trafficking cases, we attorneys are going to be looking closely at three things. First, the police search that revealed the drugs. Was that legal? Second, everything leading up to finding the drugs, the confidential informants, the wiretaps, was any of that legal? A lot of times it's not. But the most important and overlooked aspect of a trafficking case is the chemistry, by far. We will be hiring an expert chemist. Chemistry is very important on a trafficking case. Look, we all know the state chemist can prove what the substance is. This was fentanyl. But it's not easy to prove exactly how much fentanyl is there in, say, 1,000 pills. That's a whole different scientific analysis. Now, aside from the chemistry, you can actually get a trafficking charge in three ways. You can possess the drugs, that could be in your house or your car, but even if you don't get caught with them on you, they can get you for trafficking simply by talking about buying a certain amount of the drug or talking about selling a certain amount of the drug. It's a bogus charge that they call conspiracy to commit drug trafficking. Conspiracy charges carry the same mandatory prison sentences as the folks that actually got caught with the drugs, which is what's so insane about a conspiracy charge. And I'd say the main problem with drug trafficking cases are these minimum mandatory prison sentences where the judge has no leeway on these, and that they're on every single trafficking case. So what we call the min-man depends on the weight of the drug. The more drugs you have, the higher the minimum mandatory prison sentence goes. That being said, we defense attorneys have ways around this. We have all sorts of options. I don't want you to lose hope here, but I do want you to get a local attorney involved, someone who has handled a trafficking involving the drug that you're accused of.